In this video, we will learn about redirection. At first, go to User Meta, Settings, then select Redirection menu. First of all, you can choose to not redirect. Check the Disable Redirection feature at the beginning of this tab and let WordPress do what it does by default. Next, you will see Login, Logout and Registration Redirection settings. Here, you can set your redirection for different roles. Login, Logout and Registration Redirection have the same options. In this video I will explain only login redirection settings. First option is default. If you choose it, it doesn't overwrite anything. It will let WordPress decide where to take you. Second option is same URL. It stays at the same page you were before pressing any buttons. Next is referrer. It takes you back to the page you were before. If you choose home option, it sends you to the home page of your site. Profile option sends you back to your personal profile page. If you choose dashboard, it will redirect to the dashboard after login. In page option, you can point the user to a specific page of your site. In last option, you can also set a custom link and point to some other address you want to send your users to. This way, you can configure your logout and registration redirection too. Thank you for watching.